Okay, what's up YouTube? Today my video is going to be on fixing this headlight. I've been driving home from work and I cannot see anything. All you're going to need for this video will be this headlight restoration kit, a few microfiber towels, some glass cleaner, some painter's tape, and a spray bottle with water in it. I'm going to put all this down in the description below. It's much cheaper if you buy this off of Amazon compared to going to the auto parts store. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your headlights are nice and clean. I just washed my truck, so mine are nice and clean. And I'm going to tape off around my headlight. There we go. Now I'm going to tape off. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to do this so you can see it before and after. Then you're going to take the little applicator pad. You want to take the 100 grit that came with the kit and just put it on this little black thing they gave you. You're going to want to take your water, spray down your headlight, spray your pad, and you want to just go back and forth. You want to overlap going back and forth. More water on there. Make sure you get the edges good. And take your microfiber towel, dry that off. And you want to change to your 3000. Spray that down again. And you want to go up and down. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you also two of my favorite things that I've put on my truck since I've owned it. And if you like them, I'll put them in the description also. Alright, just wipe that down. Now you're going to want to get a drill, cordless or one that plugs in, it doesn't matter. Take the little yellow pad that came with the kit, put it in the drill. Take some of the polishing compound and put it on the pad. About a nickel size drop. Rub that around there. And you want to wipe that off before it dries. Depending on how bad your headlights are, you can do that a couple times. I think I'm going to do it just one more time. They look a lot better already, but
pretty good. Maybe I'll just do whatever's on there.
And you're going to want to clean that with some glass cleaner. Now my last step would be to put this headlight coating on, but I'm not going to do that until I do this whole headlight. So I'll show you what this looks like. Sure is a lot better. All right, let me finish this side up, and then I'm going to put my sealer on, the headlight coating sealer. All right, now the last step is going to be putting this headlight coating on. Just put it on this black applicator. Just go side to side, from top to bottom. Don't lay this back on your car. Now, you gotta wait for 15 minutes, it should be dry. And then for it to fully cure, it says it should take 24 hours. All right, now look at that light. Check this light out, and that light. This light. Okay, I got my lights done. Now I'm going to show you my two favorite things that I've added to my truck since I've owned it. First thing would be my tonneau cover. This is a Tonneau Pro. Show you how this works. This tonneau cover here cost me about $450, and I will put this down in the description. It's not $1,000 tonneau cover, but I've had it on here a couple years. Just gotta hit this. Now I didn't put the rail system on my truck. If you have a rail system on your truck, it would make this a little easier. You can see what I did there. Just fold them up. It's hard to do with one hand. And this folds up. Now the underside of this is metal, which is nice, because if you put something in the bed of your truck, it can't stick up through your tonneau cover on an accident. And that just folds right up. And then you got two clips here on both sides. You can clip it if you're going down the highway. I've had this on a couple years and it's works pretty good. It's, I'd say, 98% efficient to keep the water out. And I built this little piece up here with a little piece of U-channel aluminum just to connect that one on. Now, if you have the rail system, it'd be a lot easier. And I built one over here that keeps it on real good and tight. And I'll put them down in the description. There's that exact one that I have is probably around 450 bucks. They have a Tonneau Pro that you roll up. It's about $231. And then they have one that doesn't have the vinyl. Fold this. They have one that doesn't have vinyl like this. It's just like a plastic cover. And that looks really nice. That one's about $595. I'll put all three of them down in the description. And this should fit a 2007 to 2013. And I'll also put in the description some that'll fit a 2014 to a 2018. Okay, my second thing that I put on my truck is my airbags. If you tow a trailer or tow a camper, these things are awesome. I can throw a ton of weight in the back of my truck. You would never know it. I keep about, I don't know, there's about 5 pounds in there now. But now these are airlifts. I'll put these down in the description also. Just make sure you get the right ones for the right year truck. The ones I'm going to put down there will be for a 2007. Very easy to put on. You'll have to cut your little bump stop off. And it comes with this bracket. And then, I think of this bracket here it came with. They've been on there a couple years. Real nice. Well, I really hope this video helped you out fixing your headlights and me showing you the tonneau cover and the airlift airbags that I got on my truck. Just try to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.